y'all, it's your girl Rock, and if you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome to another weekly vlog, and just wanted to start off this intro by saying I hope everybody is having a wonderful evening, day, whatever time you watching this. Just want to be honest and say, like, your girl kind of going through it. At the end of the day, I'm gonna be okay by the grace of God, because God carries me through every day. But yeah, I just feel like us older Gen Zers and millennials right now, we're really going through it when it comes to like this job market and this job and career shit. And like, definitely comment down below if you relate, because it just seems like it's weird. You got scamming ass websites like Indeed posting jobs from companies that aren't really hiring but pretending they're hiring. You know, from the constant need to retweak your resume and like lie for a job. Being stuck at jobs because you can't quit the job because you're scared that you're not going to get another job. And that's my current situation. That's like also a part of my situation. But like I'm like saying it in general because other people are like dealing with it too. Yeah, it's like as I'm doing this YouTube shit, I'm still trying to break out of like the current field I'm in, retail, because it's a field. I know it's not a career, but it's a field. I may not be okay, I'm a customer service associate. Okay, I'm a retail associate. I'm not gonna tell you what store, but yeah. It's like a shift that's bound to happen at some point, because first of all, I'm gonna be real. I'm a job quitter. I'm usually a job quitter. I'll quit the fuck out of a job. I'll be like, listen, we're done here. But this time is different. Like, mom's got bills that she's never had before. You know, I'm not used to this, and I can't just jump ship. It's different, but I'm gonna try to find something else. So because one thing that, especially as a Sagittarius, I hate feeling stuck anywhere. I hate feeling stuck. But one thing that I'm gonna do this week is just take care of myself, stay calm, meditate, and spoil myself a little bit. So that's what you're gonna be watching in this vlog. I'm gonna just be spoiling myself and make myself feel better, because life is lifing. As a 27-year-old, so yeah. I'm gonna see ya in the next clip, which will be the next day. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. Hey y'all, so it's a lovely Sunday, and I got more goodies. I really just be spending money like it's water sometimes. It's a problem of mine, but yeah, let's get into it. So of course I went back to the Ulta, caught me some deals or whatever, And yeah, the first thing on my agenda was to try an aluminum-free deodorant. I got the Each and Every aluminum-free deodorant. Is apparently has all natural ingredients, and I got the one with the scent raspberry and mandarin. It definitely gives off fruity tooty whenever I lift my arms. It's funny, but yeah, definitely know that my armpits gotta get used to this natural shit. And, you know, weaning off of that aluminum. We're trying to be natural, organic, you know, do better things for our bodies and the environment, such and such. Yeah, on the back it says no active aluminum, no parabens, no artificial fragrance. I don't really fuck with synthetic fragrances like that. No baking soda, cruelty-free and vegan, and it is plant-based packaging. And on the back it has the ingredient names and then all of the ingredients, simple names right beside it. So if you're one of those people that get scared because you see big words, this might be for you, because they make you feel even better about the ingredients. They give you the simple names so you understand what's going on. Now, moving on. I got my Ulta Beauty 100 premium pillow cotton pads. It's 100% pure cotton, 100 count. You know, mostly I utilize this for when it's time to wipe my makeup off, but also every other day when I put on my AHA, BHA toner. Gotta get on that. Gotta get onto that tone the skin, y'all. Then I decided to give this a second try, the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Body Treatment. This is used to improve the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. I got a good 4 fluid ounces. Yeah, I will say, I think this stuff is pretty good. When you look it up, it's not harsh for people with sensitive skin, and I will say it works from the last time that I used it. The first time I used it halfway, didn't finish. The problem is with Good Molecules, anything, especially this product right here, you can't just use it for a week and a half and be like, why isn't anything changing? Like, you really have to give this stuff time. It's not that it doesn't work. It's the fact that you have to give it time to work. But yeah, I'm getting this right on time for the summer. Is fast approaching. Trying to be outside with my legs showing. And I do have, like, you know, dark spot, scar, a little bit of that issue on, like, my legs. A little bit on the tummy. Nothing too major, but just to fix that issue, you know, at least give it a month and a half, you know, to improve so that I can be outside looking good, feeling good, showing out. Because we're outside this summer. Yeah, period. Moving on. Okay. I usually do not wear makeup, let alone lashes that often, but I did decide that this week, this new week, I'm going to try the Impress Press-On False Lash Clusters from Kiss. Now, I got the 12 clusters. They're supposed to have a 24-hour hold, and it's supposed to come with adhesive already on each individual cluster. So you're supposed to just press them on. I might upload me on TikTok trying these out, giving these a go, seeing what they give, but I got one pack in the Authentic Natural, and then the other in the Classy Natural. Those are the names, and I know they have like curly, voluptuous volume and like super volume type. But yeah, be sure to look these up, see which style y'all like, and also let me know if you've already tried these and what they be giving. Do they last less than 24 hours? Do they last truly 24 hours? Or do they last more? Surprisingly, who knows? All I know is I got tired of the usual Falscara set because that adhesive bond sealant gets messy. But yeah, I'm excited to try these and give these a whirl. And the last thing that I got, okay, usually if you've been watching my channel, you know I go to my lady. I go to my nail lady. I go to my homegirl Jenny. Like every 2 to 3 weeks, like clockwork. And I've been very consistently getting acrylic, but as of recently, it seems like my nails don't really appreciate that. They really need time to breathe. So what I'm gonna do is switch temporarily to just doing something simple and doing the press-ons. It's not like I've never been a press-on girly before. It's just most of the time I like depending on somebody else to do my nails for me, and I like how the acrylic seems like dependable, but ain't nothing wrong with just reapplying some glue and sticking back on that falsie, that press-on nail. Ain't nothing wrong with it, especially if they're a cute press-on nail. And I decided to give Glamnetic a try. Usually, I get some real nice kiss nails. Let me get closer to this camera. I got them in the type Golden Touch. If you see on the tips, it's gold fringe. It's a real nice, like, modern design. They're cute, and I really am excited to try these. Like, the gems are already starting to fall off of my nails, honestly, and I'm ready to just pop these off and put these on. But that's not a problem. But yeah, I'm really excited to try these. Ready to pop on out with the gold nails, because I got the Golden Touch, baby. One last thing before I go, I just wanted to show you this thing, this little doohickey that I got off Amazon because I realized that I couldn't open my Pandora bracelet for shit to put the charm on. So I ordered this really cute small charm bracelet opener. So it really helps because, like, my nails, especially I guess since I have acrylic nails and I'm not really using like a human nail to like get into the little groove, the little open area of the charm bracelet itself. But okay, so it looks like this, and I'm gonna put a link for all my charm bracelet girlies, whether it's Pandora bracelet, James Avery, whatever. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. So cute, and it's pink, my favorite color. Yeah. So it really gets in there. So mind you, you stick this little part right here. You can see it like that. You put it into little groove. Yeah. And it just pops open. If you can see. Ah! Well, yeah, it opened. So as you can see, it opened. And yeah, it's so convenient, but it was almost like $20 though. I know most people were in the reviews like, I don't know why the little contraption is $20. But you know what, it's worth it. It is what it is. I'm just spending money like it's water because money comes back to me, okay? Every time I spend money, it comes back times 10, okay? That's how we do it out here in the manifestation universe world, okay? So, I'll see you soon in the next video. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I love it and appreciate every last one of you. Bye.